Question: Is it permissible for a person to delegate someone to distribute zakah on his behalf? Zakah has become compulsory for him. It is permissible for him to delegate a trustworthy person to distribute the zakah, but it is better for him to distribute it himself and do not delegate it to someone else so he can be certain that it has been done. It says in Al-Insaf, it is permissible to delegate someone to give zakah and it is valid to do so. That is on condition that this person be trustworthy. This was stated by Imam Ahmad. That person should also be a Muslim according to the correct view. An-Nawawi said in his Majma, he may delegate someone to dispose of his zakah that he may distribute himself. Indeed, it is permissible to delegate someone else to do that even though it is an act of worship, because it is like paying off debts, and because it may be necessary to appoint a delegate because the wealth is elsewhere and so on. But distributing it himself is better than delegating someone else. And there is no difference of scholarly opinion on this score, because then he will be certain that it is being distributed, which is not the case when it is delegated to someone else. Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen rahimullah was asked, is it permissible to delegate someone else to give zakatul fitr and zakah on one's wealth or to accept it? He replied, yes, it is permissible to delegate someone else to give zakatul fitr, as it is also the case with regarding to zakah of one's wealth. But it is essential to make sure that zakatul fitr reaches out the poor person before the Eid prayer, because the person giving it is acting on behalf of the one who is obliged to pay it. Majmu' al-Fatwa, wallahu alam, jazakallah khair.